We've done so many DIY projects and updates to our master bedroom. It's come such a long way. I can't wait to share it with you, as well as some fun before and afters. Hi YouTube! It's been a minute since I shared anything on this channel really, but I'm so excited going forward. There's going to be weekly content here at Amanda Fallon Homes on YouTube. I'm going to be sharing a lot more home related content.
Befores and afters of spaces in my home, DIY projects, obviously those will continue, home decor favorites, all kinds of fun stuff in addition to the model home tours and the DIY projects I was posting before.
So really, I'm going to be sharing basically what I've been sharing on Instagram this whole time.
My Instagram's a really fun place if you're not on there yet.
But I'm going to be going more in depth on YouTube. Today, I'm going to be sharing my master bedroom with you. I'm here in the sitting room portion of our master bedroom. We've done a lot of fun things in here, including adding this dry bar.
I'm so excited to share how far our bedroom has come and some of the projects we have planned in here, as well as some of my home decor favorites.
Hi puppies. Coming into our master bedroom, you walk right into our sitting room area. This is such a fun space. This is where we hang out and watch our favorite shows like The Mandalorian and The Last of Us, Pedro Pascal. But anyway, the best thing we ever did in here was adding this dry bar. This was just open space before.
We added lower and upper cabinets, countertop, mini fridge. We added a microwave down here, so it's like a little popcorn station, and a little coffee maker action over here. I would recommend adding a dry bar in your bedroom. If you're a coffee drinker like me, it's just a nice little convenience to be able to grab your coffee right away, and a little bit of extra storage.
We also had some power outlets added. So this one right here, specifically for my coffee maker, and then back behind the TV so that the TV cords would be hidden.
The next best thing we did in this room, we've done it in a few rooms, is to actually add electrical in order to have a ceiling light. There was nothing on the ceiling before, so we had electrical ran to the ceiling, added this beautiful ceiling light on a dimmer, since we knew this is where we would be watching shows. I want to be able to like dim it for mood lighting. I wish I could link this beautiful light fixture for you. I got so many questions on it, but unfortunately it was a closeout. I will try linking something similar in the description box.
We painted the ceiling white. It was brown and gray before, and added this super subtle wall detail.
I am going to be switching out these ugly blinds with Shakeology Roman shades, just like I did in our living room. That was life-changing. If you want to see that, head to my Instagram.
I want to call out this coffee table. If you're looking for a sizable coffee table on a budget, get two of these and smush them together. Most affordable way to get a larger scale coffee table at a great price. I will link that for you. Behind the sitting room is the master balcony. I'm not going to take you out there because it's so dirty. We just had a big storm in SoCal, but I love this space. We added this pergola. It opens and closes, so you can open it up at night to look at the stars, close it during the day for shade. It's amazing. Added the egg chair.
Coming this way is our master bedroom.
I'll be doing the world's longest curtain rod across here. I think it'll just help soften the room a little bit and make it not so echoey in here. We added curtain rods, curtains. We DIY'd these ceiling beams. I have a tutorial on that. DIY'd that accent wall, have a tutorial on that as well. I will link everything in the description box. Mounted this TV. It's on a swivel, so we can actually pull it out and watch TV from bed.
Added the same ceiling light that we have in the sitting room. This is just the bigger version. Again, it's a closeout, but I will try and link something similar. We also painted this ceiling white. It was gray and brown, just like the sitting room, and added this sliding barn door. It's absolutely gorgeous.
For the sliding door, we added a piece of poplar for the header just by itself. We didn't stain it or anything. I love poplar. Fun fact, it's my favorite wood, and it just looks so beautiful by itself. But this door is something else. I can't believe how much it adds to the room and how expensive it looks for the price. It's absolutely amazing. I'll be sharing the master bathroom today, but I promise you're not missing out on anything. It needs all the things, and we haven't even begun planning it. But whenever we do that remodel, I will definitely be sharing that. My favorite recent addition to the bedroom was definitely this beautiful washable rug by Unique Loom. I was so excited to collaborate with them.
Indy, our little dog, tends to have accidents overnight on our bedroom rugs, which is why we haven't had a rug in here in so long. But I'm so happy to know that if she has an accident on this, I can literally throw it in the washing machine. Oh, big stretch.
Another favorite recent addition is this beautiful arch mirror. This thing is ginormous and adds so much. It has a beautiful black frame. We have another one above our console table in our living room, and it is just stunning. Most of the home decor that you see here is, I think, still in stock. I know the lanterns are, the bowl, the candlesticks, the sliding door.
The olive tree is amazing. It's super tall. That goes in and out of stock, as well as my nightstands, but of course I'm going to link all of this for you in the description box. I absolutely love these sconces because they don't need to be hardwired. They just plug right in. So those are super friendly. You don't have to hire an electrician to use them.
Absolutely love our bedding. I know that throw blanket with the super cute fringe is still in stock.
Our blackout curtains, they say they're blackout. I'm gonna say they're 80% blackout. They are so beautiful and such an amazing price point for the quality. They have like a beautiful linen texture, and I love that they are a cream color, but with no yellow undertones.
One of my favorite upgrades to the master bedroom was adding all of these curtain panels, hacking 2 curtain rods together to make it look like one super long rod, adding an elbow joint here where the walls meet so that the curtain rod seamlessly carries over to the other wall. This addition elevated the room, made it feel so much more finished and luxurious. I'm using 11 panels here. 2 panels between each window on that wall, and then just single panels on either side of those.
This wall opposite the bed is actually a very asymmetric wall. You can see one is a door and one is a window. The window is super close to the edge. The door is super far from the edge, but adding the mirror in the middle and the curtain panels really creates the illusion that it is much more balanced than it is. Curtains are great for that as well.
The bedroom is super long. I am really only using half the bedroom at the moment, and I would love to know, what would you do with this other half of the room? We have a TV here. I mean, we could make it another sitting area.
What would you do with that half of the room? Please comment and let me know. I'm really looking for ideas.
And another upcoming project in here is definitely, again, to switch out these ugly blinds for Chicology Roman shades, just like I did in the living room. They make such a huge difference. I'm so excited for that, hopefully in the next couple of months. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on future videos just like this one. If you are interested in the faux beams on the ceiling or the accent wall behind the bed, check the description box below for the links to those videos and all of the home decor items I mentioned in case you want to do some shopping.